Hey, good morning. September 29th, 2019. Yeah, it's snowing. Not supposed to do that. Upland bird hunting here. Kind of a miserable day, but dogs want to get out, so we go make a loop out through here. I doubt dogs might stay with it, but I doubt I'll stick with it here very long. But anyway, we're gonna get some exercise. I'm gonna let these dogs out. We're gonna tromp around in the snow till we get miserable. Hey, why don't you come along with me? Let's get out and get them. One dog out. Here's the other dog out. All right, let's go get them up. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. More fun than you can shake a stick at. All right, let's see if we get anything up here. Yeah, I know. It's not fit for man nor beast out here, but yet here we are. Well, no birds. Days like today usually aren't that good, but we're out here. We're working the old fence lines. Yeah, I think I'll go on up here, make a loop around a little pond up here, and then we'll probably call it a day. Hey, I don't got anything in there. I don't have anything in there. All right, let's keep going. Well, I think this is all the further I'm going to come up in here today. You don't say. I don't know what she's trying to tell me, but I start to feel my feet getting wet. So I'll go on down here and head back to the truck. Kind of a futile day trying to find a bird. If there's any out here, they're going to be hunkered down and not moving much. So we're going to have to step on them if... Hey, I hear ya. We're going to go. Pretty much have to step on them if we're going to get them up. Yeah, let's get on out of here. Come on. Well, that's it. No birds. Got wet. Snowing. Supposed to be hunting this time of year in your t-shirt, not in the snow. But it is what it is. Tell you what though, I'm glad I threw these gaiters in at the last minute. Boy, if you don't have a pair of these that go around the tops of your boots, keep the wet, snow, whatever from getting down in your boot, you'd be sorry. These things are worth their weight in gold. Anyway, go head back to the barn. Clean up my shotgun. It got pretty damn wet, so get that cleaned up and put away till next time. So anyway, hit that sub button. Come along with me here. We're going to be doing some hunting adventures this fall. This is only the first one this fall. And it's snowing. I could get into the politics of this, but I think I'll leave that alone. Whether it's climate change, global warming, whatever. But I'll leave that alone for now. But anyway, come along with me.